Do you remember the satisfying thunk of a VHS tape sliding into a VCR, followed by that distinctive mechanical whir and click? It felt like magic as your favorite movie or recorded TV show came to life on the screen. There was a whole intricate process happening inside that allowed us to rewind, fast forward, and watch on demand. The VCR tape loading process was a sophisticated mechanical operation that involved the machine automatically extracting the magnetic tape from its protective cassette shell and threading it around the VCR's spinning playback heads and other critical components. This complex dance transformed a static cassette into a dynamic viewing experience. This precise mechanical orchestration was essential because the video and audio information was stored magnetically on the delicate tape in diagonal stripes, using a method called helical scan recording. For the VCR to read this information, the tape needed to be pulled out of the cassette and wrapped around a rapidly rotating head drum, where the tiny video heads could make continuous, precise contact with those diagonal tracks. Guideposts and tension arms worked in unison to maintain the exact speed and tension, ensuring the tape remained perfectly aligned for optimal playback, even as it was constantly moving. Understanding this process helps explain why a VCR was such a marvel of engineering. When you inserted the tape, the machine's internal mechanisms would grab the tape spool, then a loading ring would move forward. This ring had guideposts that would hook onto the tape, pulling a length of it out of the cassette and wrapping it in a U-shape or M-shape path around the cylindrical head drum. Once loaded, the VCR could then move the tape across the heads at a constant speed for playback, recording, or fast winding. This intricate loading sequence, often called the tape path or threading mechanism, was a testament to the analog ingenuity of the era. The head drum, a precision component spinning at thousands of revolutions per minute, was the heart of this system. It required the tape to be presented with incredible accuracy to ensure the tiny heads could pick up the faint magnetic signals without distortion or loss of quality. The consistent tension provided by the capstan and pinch roller was equally vital, preventing kinks or damage to the vulnerable tape material. So, the next time you think about those bulky black boxes, remember that the seemingly simple act of sliding in a tape triggered a miniature factory of gears, motors, and sensors. This elaborate internal process was the unseen hero, transforming a simple plastic rectangle into a gateway for countless hours of entertainment, allowing us to enjoy movies and shows from the comfort of our homes, forever changing how we consumed media.